Hi, friends. Ready for another great day at the amusement park? Great. But before we play, we have work to do. Today, we will build a giant gumball machine. So first, we have to find all the pieces. Do you see something, Ed the excavator? Billy the bulldozer can give you a boost. Looks like a big red stopper. Let's put it over by the tires. There must be more pieces around here somewhere. Keep looking. Hey, Charlie, what's that on the merry-go-round? It's the body of the truck that makes the gumballs. Let's go start putting it all together. Way to go, Charlie. Great job holding the truck body while Ed puts the wheels on. Billy, are you going for a ride on the Ferris wheel again? Oh, there's a piece of the gumball machine on the Ferris wheel. Ed has found something big and round like a ball. Bring it to the truck and let's see if it fits. Perfect. And Billy found the bumper. Now we need to fill it with candy. Billy, you think we should fill it with balls from the ball pit? No. Ed, do you have a better idea? Wow, you found containers full of gumballs. A green one, a red one, and a blue one. Let's take them to the gumball machine and fill it up. Charlie can lift the small containers and pour them into the big container. Blue, red, and green. Now the lid goes on and we're all finished. Candy, anyone? Great job, guys. It's time to have some fun at the amusement park. See you next time, friends.
Hi, Ethan. How are you? Ethan, would you like to learn colors and play football today?
Yahoo!
Great! Let's start then.
Oh,
Red. Well done, Ethan. Yellow. Pink.
Oh.
Give it another try, Ethan. Great, Ethan! And now, let's throw the green ball.
Oh.
No, Ethan. This ball is red.
Ah.
Green.
Yahoo!
Blue. Orange. Well done, Ethan. You played
Oh.
well, and you learned so many colors today. Let's sum up. Red. Yellow. Pink. Green. Blue. Orange.
Hello, Charlie the Crane. We have a very important job today. We're building a fire truck. Ed the excavator, Billy the bulldozer, ready to help? Let's get started by putting on the wheels. Uh-oh, that didn't work well. Maybe Charlie can lift the frame while you put the wheels on. Wow, Ed, you pushed too hard and the wheel fell off the other side. Oops, did it again. Maybe you two should work together. That looks great, but we need more parts. The cab, the turret, and a nozzle. Perfect. First, let's add the main body of the truck. Then the turret, so we can aim the water at the fire. Next, We need to be able to get water to fires in tall buildings. This piece will work just like Charlie's crane, but it will spray water from the end. That looks great! Look at Billy. That looks like fun. But let's finish our fire truck first. Next, we add the cab, where the driver sits. All done. We need to try it out. Works great on a short building. Look at that! It can reach to the top of the taller buildings too. Wow! Great job, guys! See you